Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 31st, 2025, out here behind the shop, or in the shop that's no longer standing. And it's a cool morning. It's in the, I think it's in the mid 40s right now. And I don't think it's going to get much warmer today. We got overcast and possibly some rain going on today as well. But I want to, before the rain comes, I'm going to try and get more of the of the boards that we salvaged from the demo of the workshop. And I made a big dent in it so far. A lot of the small boards I haven't done yet, but trying to separate the boards that are still attached to one another and all. And I made a big dent on it yesterday. Real happy with that. And oops, we don't want that in the driveway. Oh Lord. Put this in my nail bucket. And I stack them on these pallets over here. And then I bring them down and back, and then I'm going to pressure wash them. So that's one thing I could do if it starts raining today. But I've got 2x4s in that pile. I'll get to that later. I've got short 2x6s there, and I think these ones here I already pulled the nails out of. I set them here to put more boards on when I restack this pile after sorting through the materials. And only have a small amount number of boards over here left. I have a couple of boards that are still attached over that are attached to one another over next to the central garden plot. And so that's one of the things I'm going to do this morning until it starts raining. Then I'll start assembling the shipping container shelving brackets. I already posted a video about that in the past, so I'll work on that if it starts raining. Otherwise, I'm going to try to just accomplish this task here. Boy, it was sunny and warm yesterday. I got a little sunburn on my forearms. Felt that when I got in my shower this morning. And yeah, so and it was so bright yesterday, the sun. I'm just not used to seeing the sun here since last summer. And I mean, it was beaming yesterday. I was blinded each time I walked into the workshop. So looking forward to more sunny days here and all. And I've got works to do down by the pond. I'll probably in the next day or two try to take a walk around to the garden so you can see how they're doing the garden tour and all. But right now I'm going to concentrate on taking care of some of these boards. Let's get started.
Scrolling through the endless feed, 1,000 perfect smiles, comparing every moment, traversing digital miles. The pressure builds a silent way to fit in, to achieve, to know the path, to always shine and easily believe in every story filtered, every curated dream. But darling, there's a deeper truth beneath the surface gleam. You are more than likes and followers, more than a trending sound. Your true worth isn't measured by what's lost or what is found in fleeting clicks and hurried words on screens that brightly glow. What you need to hear, dear youth, is this: you're enough and you will grow. There's strength inside of your quiet heart, a purpose meant for you. So listen past the noise and trust the honest, brave and true. The future whispers worries, a world that feels so vast, with headlines screaming troubles, moving by too fast. The choices loom like mountains, the path's not always clear, a fear of getting it all wrong and letting failure steer. But every step's a lesson, every stumble helps you learn. It's okay not to know it all, just keep your spirit burned. You are more than likes and followers, more than a trending sound. Your true worth isn't measured by what's lost or what is found in fleeting clicks and hurried words on screens that brightly glow. What you need to hear, dear youth, is this: you're enough and you will grow. There's strength inside your quiet heart, to ask for help, to lean when you feel weak, to talk about the darkness, the solace that you seek. Your mental health is vital, a garden you must tend. Don't hide away your struggles, find a true and trusted friend. And remember, kindness starts with you and how you treat your soul. Before you pour it outwards, make your inner self whole. The world needs your compassion, your vision fresh and bold, to question old assumptions and stories to unfold. Your voice is power, use it for the good you wish to see, to build a brighter future, wild and brave and free. So step outside the echo chamber, breathe the air so deep, and understand the promises your honest heart can keep. You are more than likes and followers, more than a trending sound. Your true worth isn't measured by what's lost or what is found in fleeting clicks and hurried words on screens that brightly glow. What you need to hear, dear youth, is this: you're enough and you will grow. There's strength inside your quiet heart, a purpose meant for you. So listen past the noise and trust the honest, brave and true. Yes, you're enough just as you are, a master taste unique. Go find your joy, speak your own truth. The future's yours to seek. Don't ever stop believing in the light you hold inside. You are enough. You are enough. You don't need a million likes to know your worth. You were born for more than scrolling through this earth. Don't chase the noise or the glitter and fame. Find your fire, stand tall in your name. This world can confuse you, pull you apart, but you've got strength and a lion's heart. What you need to hear is you are enough. Even when life gets heavy and rough, work with your hands, speak with your soul. Do what is right, not just what's told. Respect your elders, protect your kin. Start where you are, real change begins within. They'll try to sell you shortcuts and schemes, but nothing stronger than sweat-built dreams. Honor your word and earn what you keep. Be proud of your roots and the promises you keep. You're not just your gender, your phone or your clothes. You're the seeds of a future that only you grow. What you need to hear is rise when you fall. It's not just about winning, it's answering the call. Lift up the lost, help when you can. The world needs more than a trend, it needs a man. Be kind, be brave in the storm. You weren't made to fit in, but to transform. Turn off the noise, tune into the truth. The future's not written, it's waiting for you. What you need to hear is you hold the pen. Write a story worth telling again and again. Stand for the good, rise above fear. This is your time, so listen clear. What you need to hear is right here. I've been saving since I was a kid. Every scrap, every piece, just like Dad did. He grew up in the Depression, times were lean. Taught me to salvage, keep the slate clean. I'll salvage what I can, that's the way I live. Reuse, repurpose, I've got so much to give. Pulling nails from the boards of that old workshop fall. Clean them up, build again, I'll use it all. The workshop collapsed, but I won't let it go. Board's still strong,
They've got stories to show. I'm hammering, pulling nails one by one for shelving in containers. The work's never done. I'll salvage what I can. That's the way I live. Reuse, repurpose. I've got so much to give. Pulling nails from the boards of that old workshop fall. Clean them up, build again. I'll use it all. Dad's voice echoes, don't waste a thing. Fix what's broke, see the joy it'll bring. From his hands to mine, a lesson so true. Produce no waste, make the old like new. Every splinter, every plank, I'll find a place. In this homestead life, there's no disgrace. From the rubble of the past, I'll build anew. With the nails and the boards, I'll see it through. I'll salvage what I can. That's the way I live. Reuse, repurpose. I've got so much to give. Pulling nails from the boards of that old workshop fall. Clean them up, build again. I'll use it all. From the lessons of the past, I'll always stand. A life of no waste. I'll salvage what I can. In this house we go homestead, I'll keep the plan. Build a future with these hard-working hands.
Well, I decided to come into the shop because it had just started raining a few hours ago, and it's been raining pretty steady since, but it's just letting up out there right now. But I shifted my attention over here to putting together some of these shipping container shelving units. And in my second from last one, I opened up the box, and I got these are the hooks that hook on the onto the wall, onto the D-rings. And you see there's a big difference. So this one right here is the correct one, so that you can put the bolts through here and have the shelves extend out on the other side. And one of the containers came with these side holes and no punch outs for this side here. And the holes are backward here. So I'm not sure why that happened. I ended up just and all the rest of the parts look correct. But I ended up calling Amazon, and it's always a little bit of a fiasco, but I finally got someone and they helped me. So long story short is I've got to package up this one here that had the wrong hooks in it, the wrong back supports. This is the most important part that everything attaches to. So I'll package that up, and they'll send me another one on Saturday, and they'll pick this one up on Monday. So I guess that'll be good. Just a real hassle. I really do like these shipping container shelving brackets. They are a really nice bracket. But I can't see, and the instructions that came with it are the same as the other ones. So doesn't make any sense. They must make some other shelving type unit or something else for shipping containers, and that just got switched out with this box, is what I'm assuming. So anyways, I'm going to package those back up. Real pain in the butt. I'm not going to put the plastic on all of them, but I'll put them in the box, tape it up, and then put together the last one. So here I go. Well, productivity today was pretty low, unfortunately. And so I did get some boards, the nails and screws, staples and all pulled out of some boards. I figure tomorrow's another day. I'll do some more. I still have that small pile over there that I've got to get up. And only got a few boards on here today, unfortunately. And I just don't want to work in the rain or the mud anymore. The rain has stopped right now, but we got more coming. And I've got nails mixed in with this, so I got to sort through all of that. And I did get the the repackage of the shipping container shelving brackets, the one that is mismatched parts, I believe, or someone punched out the wrong holes in the square tubing. Who knows? So I got that packaged up. I got the other ones put together, and I put them out in the shipping containers. It's just been rainy and crappy today, so I said the heck with trying to record any more out here today. So given that I'm pretty sore today, pretty sore after yesterday, I'm going to take it easy, go in and relax the rest of the day today. And oh, look at the lupine. I just noticed that some of the lupines are sending up their flowers now. Beautiful nitrogen fixers. I've got to do a garden update soon here. Really, really pretty. And no, I haven't done any work in the gardens. And I'm tripping over things here as I'm trying to get out of here. All right, so I'm going to end the video here. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate your comments, your thumbs up, and all that. That's really, really inspiring for us. And I hope you folks stay safe and take care. Enjoy life. Don't forget to do that. Take the simple pleasures in life. Bye-bye now.